Oh. Oh, yeah?
We need more of these.
Hi.
So far, these are the only ones that haven't burned out.
Hi. Oh, where are you going? Where are you going? Oh. Oh, you're just going crazy. Is that better? Oh, don't. Why are you mad? Why are you mad? What? Well, put your head back up right. Put your head up. There. Is that better? Why are you mad? You just punched yourself in the eye.